Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lookman, and today I want to quickly show you three softwares that can help you to make money online easily and monthly. If this is something you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. Softwares that will enable you to make money online easily from the comfort of your home monthly, easily and monthly. By the way, before I get into it, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing now. Just hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the next to be notified. And if you are a returning G, you've already become one of the part of the family, then just smash the like button, just destroy the like button, continue to click the like button so that this will go a long way to encourage me to do more. And don't forget to leave your comments. Leave your comments. I'll be very happy to answer your comment. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you these three different softwares that you can use to make money online easily. And you are going to be making the money monthly. You are going to be making the money monthly. You heard me. What about if you have a software that can easily help you to do videos without you understanding how to even hold the camera, or you don't even know how to, you don't even have any skill, any video creation skill, you don't know graphics, you don't know anything, or you want to make logos, you want to make graphic designs, but you don't know how, and you want to even do promotions. Maybe you work in a company, or you have your own company that you want to promote your own business. There are these three softwares will do all this for you just easily. You don't even need to know anything. One, this is how it works. This software, these softwares already have templates. And what I mean by template is that they already have examples of videos done for you. All you need to do is just change the name. Maybe on the video you have the name of First City company, and you want to use it for your own company, and your own company is Second Merchant. All you need to do is just change that First City to Second Merchant, and the video, everything about the video is already made. There is a template. If you want it, as long as, if you want it for 5 minutes, it's already there. If you want it for 10 minutes, if you want it for 15-20 minutes, it's already there. This has already been made for you, this software that I'm talking about. And the beautiful thing about this is that we are not just going to be making video for nothing's sake. We want to make money, and because that is my concern, we want to make money. And recently we are going through recession. We are just getting out of the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic, and now we've entered another recession. And what do? In some places like England, presently they are on lockdown. US is having a second wave of COVID-19. So a lot of people will be forced to stay at home. Either you like it or not, you are going to be staying at home. And a lot of people will lose their job. Now, if you lose your job, what are you going to be eating? So it's better you start now. You can do businesses from your home. And one of the businesses that you can do that will not give you any trouble is making videos, making logos, making animations. And the three software that I'm going to be talking today, don't worry, I will give you all the names of the software. The three software I'm going to be talking about will do all this for you effortlessly. All you need to do is just, if you can use your phone to go to Facebook or WhatsApp, then you can use these softwares. These are online softwares that you can use, and you can get them for next to nothing. Some are free, while some are paid. Even the ones that are paid are not so much, just some little money that you can easily afford. Now let's get into it. Like I said again, if you are new, subscribe, just subscribe to this channel. Subscribing will take this channel to an height, to promote this channel to so many people, and it will tell YouTube that we are actually doing something, and that will gladden my, because it will encourage me. Okay, welcome back. The video, the software that I'll be mentioning, I said 3, and the first one I'll be talking about is called videos. I'm going to be writing this for you. Videos. It is called videos. VIDDYOZE. Videos. What does video do? These videos, this software has pre-designed templates, so many in different categories, different niches. All you need do is just pick any of it and customize. Just change it to your taste, change it to your liking. And the best part of it is that it is meant for promotional videos. What do you call promotional videos? That you can help people to promote their business, and you can do this freely. How do you do this freely? Just go to any of the freelance sites. There are so many freelance sites. We have Fiverr, Quicken Gigs, Guru, Upwork, and the rest. But let us concentrate on Fiverr. Just register on Fiverr. Once you get to Fiverr, just check the services that are rendered or that are offered on Fiverr. You see that promotional video is one of the best paid service that you can offer, or gig that you can offer on Fiverr. So just register as a seller on Fiverr. Once you register as a seller, you create your gig, and you try. Once you create your gig, then you offer this service. You call it promotional videos. Once you can charge as high as $50, $45. And if you let's say you charge $40 and you have 10 orders, in a month or in a week, you'll be making like $4,000 or $400, and that to me is a very big money for sitting at home doing not so much. But this particular software come at a price, a one time, or they call it a lifetime access of $67. And by the way, I'm not affiliated to videos, and I'm not promoting them for any reason. But you know, it is my duty to bring money making ideas, easy money making smart ideas to you, and that is what I am doing. I'm not promoting videos because I'm not an affiliate of videos. All you need to do, you can even try for free. Just register with them, sign up with go to videos.com, you sign up, and you see how videos work. You can make a lot of money. The second one that I'm going to be talking about is called Doodly. Doodly is spelled Doodly. Doodly is a number one place that you can do animation video. I love Doodly so much. I love animation videos because animation videos are the simplest to make, and the thing is, a lot of people love animations. Most companies prefer to use animations. So if you get this software, you can make money from companies around, you can make money from companies abroad, then you can make money from freelance sites like Fiverr, Guru, Quicken Gigs, Upwork, and the rest, people per hour. You can make a lot of money. But if you go to Fiverr, just register on Fiverr. Once you register on Fiverr, just create a gig called animation. It can be 3D, it can be 2D. Just call it animation video, and you see how much you can go. After watching this, just go and start it, check and see how much they are paying. And this website costs $67, just like the first videos is a one-time access of $67. So also they have one-time access, lifetime access of $67. After paying $67, you are not paying. But the beautiful thing is, you can make this $67 over and over and over. Even with one job, you can make times two of this amount. Depends on now, because in Fiverr you have normal, you have the classic, and you have you have the basic, the classic, and the super. So you can make so much money from this. The third one I'm going to be talking about is render forest. Render forest, I love render forest so much. There are so many reasons why I love render forest. Now, one of it is that you can actually start render forest for free, and this free is meant for you to practice. Just practice with it, know the ins and out of it. And the second one is that after doing it for free, if you want to now upgrade, the premium one is just $6 per month. $6 per month. And with what this website can do, this software can do, this software can do a lot. Of all the things we've mentioned promotional video with videos, we mention animation with doodly. This render forest can do those and do more, because this one you can do logo, you can do logo design, you can do YouTube videos, you can use it, and you can use it in various ways. One, you can be doing it for people, you can be rendering it on freelance sites, then you can even be using it for your own. You can start your own YouTube channel. Even with the free one, you can start your YouTube channel and start doing it. I did a video that I did with render forest. Very simple, very easy. You check my channel, you see 3D animation, how to make money from 3D animation. I make the video in just 5 minutes. It's done, because it's drag and drop. Just put this one, put this one, remove this one. The template is everything you want. And I did logo, I even did intros, I did outros with it. And all these are services that are selling so much on Fiverr, on all the freelance sites. If you make intros for people, a lot of money. If you make outros, you make a lot of money. If you now make logo is another thing. Now you want to make YouTube videos, that's a whole lot of money. You can make animation, 3D animation, 2D animation. You can make a whole lot of things with render forest. But like I said, I'm not promoting them because I'm an affiliate. No, I'm not an affiliate of them. But my own job is to bring opportunities to you, money making opportunities. And that is what I am doing with this video. I hope you've got a lot of value. If you've got a lot of value from this video, then just go to smash the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe so that when next I release good videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And for my OGs, please continue to smash, destroy the like button. Let the like button know, let YouTube know that yes, this video is it, so that it will go a long way. It will be able to reach. Once you click the like button and comment, you share it, it will be able to reach a lot of people. It will go to a lot of people, and a lot of people can benefit from this. Will come, instead of people begging you for money, they will be, once you give this to them, then you have helped them one way or the other, and they will forever be grateful to you. I want to stop until I come your way again. Remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.